So today I'm going to do the activated charcoal face mask. I know it was like trending for a while, but I'm gonna do it now. So benefits of charcoal, of activated charcoal, is that it purifies your clogged pores, it helps with your acne, and it detoxifies the skin. I have my charcoal. I'm just gonna mix everything up in my little container. I'm gonna do the glue first. I'm gonna put a little bit more glue in this. Now, baby. Go back up there, baby. Alright. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna put it in a downward motion because I'm gonna have to pull it up. So I have to wait for about, I want to say like 20-30 minutes. So okay, so it's been a little over 30 minutes. So I'm gonna start taking this off. It's supposed to hurt. I have a high pain tolerance, so it's gonna peel my skin. I'm gonna try to get it off like all the way. I'm just gonna smile first, because this thing is hard. Oh, and then I'm supposed to like hold my skin down as I'm pulling it off. And I ripped it already. No, but that's okay. It is pulling my hairs off. I feel them, but that's a good thing, because then when I apply my foundation, ooh, it's gonna be really smooth. Now I'm gonna make fun of myself because I said that I have a high pain for tolerance. This shit hurts a little bit. I can imagine how it feels when people, oh, and I'm supposed to pull upwards. I'm not even doing it right. Oh, that feels better actually. I could imagine how it feels when people get tattoos or something. Ooh. Just gonna rip it right here. My skin looks really nice though. I like the way it looks. Mmm. Ooh, ooh, this looks good. It's pulling out a lot of good stuff. There's like a little, where's it at? Some acne. Can you see that? Right there by my finger. Ooh. I wonder if, can you see that? You see all that? The little hairs on there? This is gonna be my new favorite thing to do. Oh, this part hurts. I was just thinking about doing my face wax too. And I'm glad doing this instead. That feels way better when I do this, just like when you wax. Even though I'm not sure if it's okay, like, that I ripped it off that fast. I don't know if that's gonna mess it up. My nose is gonna look good though. There we go. I'm so fascinated looking at all the little hairs and whatever little, like, acne. Whatever doing, my let's take that. My skin feels really good. Really good. You can tell the difference between where I had the mask and where I didn't, because I have an oily forehead. Yeah. I'm gonna keep doing this. So thanks for watching.